at Navy Pier. No, that's in
Navy
Chicago.
Dockyards.
We're at Navy Dockyards in Bermuda. Took some pictures of Ellie on her present.
My penny board.
And going to town, need to grab some drinks. It's her birthday, so she gets to do whatever she wants.
Like?
Anything she wants. Except get avocado toast. Ellie was crazy enough to get in the water. Man of war, potentially killing me. But I'm getting tan, getting the sun. It's a beautiful day, 70 degrees. Horseshoe Bay, what is this? I figured it'd be good to finally get first-person perspective of our travels since we haven't done that yet. We got traffic. We're gonna get pulled over by the police probably. You see Ellie behind me? Look at her. Just hanging out. We were just at the beach. All right, so insider tips if you're traveling to Bermuda and you're in a Twizy, use your AirPods. You get your music, you get your navigation. We're off to dinner now? Soon?
Yeah.
Soon.